motor locations and parameter setting.
调节参数，所有的数字越大就往里走，数字越小往外走。
So, big number means the clip will go inside. The small number means the clip will go outside.
所有的这个标识都是要在绿色的状态下才可以控制电机。如果是黑色状态下，它是没有通电的，电机没通电。
So we have to make sure all this part is the green with the green color. This means the servo motor is connecting with the PLC. If it's not with the green color, that means the servo motor cannot control by this heat screen.
这个电机，也就这个，它是控制夹耳带的升降。
So this servo motor is control this motor, and this motor is mainly to control the clip up and down. That means this servo motor is control these two small servo motors.
我们按正方向、反方向，这边都会变动，这是当前位置。比如说我要焊接位置的话，我这个位置调到，比如我这个焊接位置，我把这个参数设置到这里，它就是我们所需要的位置。
So
这个叫设置位置吧，这是当前位置吧。
So this number is the current position, and if you want to adjust, you can press these two buttons. And after you think the position is good, then you have to input this number into this area. So each number of this line is showed the location, the current location, and if you want to adjust, you can adjust this. Then if you think the position is okay, then you put this number into this area.
这个是送鼻梁的长度的电机，然后它这个长度现在90，也就是对应的现在这个送出来的鼻梁长度是90。
So this servo motor is mainly to control the length of the nose pin. This number 90 means 90 millimeters, which is indicated here is 90 millimeters. So it's mainly to control this motor, and this motor is mainly to push, so it's no need to adjust.
Mass folding device instruction.
是调前后阴影，它前后动是调这个中心线对这个中心点，它分钟，口罩出来就等于等间。然后这个下面这一个是调它的高低。
高低的作用是什么？
它高低作用就是口罩下边要切到这个线，大概留1毫米。
Oh. So this is the folding part. You can adjust the folding part by this handwheel, and to make sure the middle line was strictly in the same alignment with the point.
分钟嘛，这是分钟嘛。
Okay. So if you turn like this, the fabric will go there. Then if you turn this location, the fabric will come inside. And this part is mainly to adjust.
这个柄放一下，又上下。
It's mainly to adjust this part. To make sure we will have 1 millimeters extra. We can see here. We can see this much. We got too much, so need adjust.
Edge cutting adjustment.
就是调这个切边的左右移动，往这边去。比如说现在这个口罩它是没有这个边出来的，那我就要往里拧，这样拧。然后这个边如果太多了，再往外拧。大概我们这最好的位置是6毫米。
So for this part, it's mainly to adjust. 这里啊。
这个。
It's mainly to adjust this part. We have to make sure we have 1 millimeters extra. If this printing is too out, you can adjust this.
可以了。
Edge sealing servo motor parameter setting.
封边的电机的进去的深度。封边的深度等于是
这个印花的深度。对，
印花的深度。如果它原点位置是不用调，然后要调的就是只是进去的深度而已。
So in the page 2 and this location, this is mainly to control the edge sealing servo motors, and this is mainly, and this motor function is mainly to adjust the printing line thickness. So the bigger the number is, the more thicker of this printing is.
Access edge cutting adjustment.
一步。
这是在第一页。
对，第一页。一步。
So we have to make sure the cutting cut the mask shape. So we have to adjust this. This button is make sure the fabric will move forward, and it's on the page 1.
用这个点去对它。
用这个点去对。
对这个线。这个线，这个圆弧，对这个圆弧。如果差不多，差不多移到它，这个就想要手了，移到它位置就把刀往里面。
如果后面有一点点不一样，就微调。
有一点点不一样就微调这里吗？
就微调这里啊？
对。
微调这里就行了。
对。
So we have to make sure this part will almost alignment with this shape, the line shape, and after we make sure it's on the line, it's on the alignment, we have to tight lock the handwheel. If there has a little problem with the alignment, you can adjust this handwheel.
Earloop installation showing.
So this button is mainly control this clip, and this button is mainly to control that clip. Okay.
然后这一个这边的一个，要带的。
So this is mainly to control the Earloop clip. Okay.
然后这一个是那边那一个。
一个是控制2个是吧？
对。
So one button can control 2 clips. So this button is mainly to control 2 clips. You can see. Okay.
这一个是剪刀。
So this is mainly to control the cutter of this side.
然后这一个是后面那个剪刀。
So
Servo
this
motors
button
locations
is
test
mainly to
page.
control. Okay. It's mainly to control these scissors. Okay. So this is mainly to control this side of ultrasonic, and this button is mainly to control that two welding pad parts. You can hear the sound. If it has this sound, means it's connected.
这一个风是要花那个窗子。
So this ultrasonic is mainly to control this mass move.
这一个充电方子。
So this button is mainly to control the air sealing ultrasonic. So this button is mainly to control the nose pin part, this part.
可以了。鼻梁怎么穿的？总电源。这是蜂鸣器。
So this is the power switch for the whole set of the machine. 蜂鸣器是用来干什么？
报警会响。
This is the buzzer. That means if the machine has problem, it will alarm.
然后这个是停止。
This is the stop.
这是启动。
This is to start.
急停。
And this is the emergency stop. 那急停和停止有什么区别？
停止是按了慢慢停，急停是下去的立即停止。
So this stop button is the machine will stop slowly, but if you press the emergency stop, the machine will stop suddenly.
这边有个功能页，功能页就是屏蔽跟启用一些报警装置啊。
So here have some alarm functions you have to switch on.
这个是布料报警，启用的话是绿色。
So if you want to have the short of fabric automatically stop, you have to turn on this. 下一个。
这个是耳带绳报警，这一根。
没有耳带绳它会停机吗？
没有耳带绳它会停机。
So this is the Earloop alarm.
这个是。
If you open this button, when the Earloop run out, you will automatically stop.
这个是鼻梁报警，鼻梁削掉报警。如果你这上面没鼻梁，没感应到鼻梁的，就会报警。
So this is the nose pin alarm. If the
Other
sensor
function control page.
detects the nose pin, it will automatically stop as well.
这个是蜂鸣器的开关，打开这个蜂鸣就会响，不打开蜂鸣器不会响。
So this is the buzzer alarm control. If you open it, it will alarm. If you turn off, it will not alarm.
这个是屏蔽整个耳带部分。你这个按亮了之后，整个耳带部分只回原点动，其他位置其他的启动运行的时候，其他不会动，整个耳带都不会动，只是回原点它会跟着动。
So this is the stop welding Earloop function. When you turn on, the welding station will not weld the Earloop, and the fabric will continue to next processing. This is the nose pin. This is the stop of nose bridge mechanism. When you turn on it, there will not install the nose pin. It will also automatically go next process. And when you turn off, you will need to install the nose pin and the Earloop as well.
好了。 没了吧？
Earloop installation showing.
从这边穿进去，这里拿下来。
Now we are showing how to install the Earloop.
啊，从这里拿进去，大家能自己照吗？
然后这里，
然后要到这里穿进去，然后把气管打上来。
Okay, so
这气管排到没？
没有。So we have to press this to make sure it's locked.
这个是后面的，这个是后面那个。
So this is this side, and this is that side. Okay.